Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our first whole school remote Zoom assembly. I just want to say a huge well done to all of you that have come into school to work so hard, all of you at home who are trying your best with Zooms and trying to work on your own as well, and of course to all of our parents who are trying to juggle jobs and Zooming and home educating. A huge well done to all of you. Your efforts are really very much appreciated. So we're going to start with our merits today, and we'll go through in order from year 1. So well done to, this is 1H, well done to Albie for brilliant focus, effort and concentration during our Zoom sessions. Jensen for phenomenal home learning. I'm blown away by your hard work, says Miss Parnell. Charlie L for amazing determination to improve his handwriting. And Caro for amazing independent drawing following our how to draw tutorial. Very well done 1H, there's some great merits in there. In 1W, Darcy for really engaging with her home learning, particularly counting on using a number line and even setting her mum a number sentence challenge to complete. Brilliant. I hope you got on all right with your number challenge sentence, Darcy's mum. Stanley for completing so many daily challenges, both phonics and maths. Absolutely brilliant. Very well done. This is Mrs. Williams and Mrs. Munnery. Caitlin for excellent illustrations both at home and at school. You have really made great progress. And Sienna for always trying her best and upholding our attitude towards careful presentation. Well done. In year 2, in 2B, Amy for excellent acting in the class play of The Great Explorer. Sam for excellent home learning, especially the phonics. Well done. Albie G for working so hard in school, giving everything his best shot. And Jack M for excellent arrays showing rows and columns. Well done 2B. And in 2C, Florence for answering lots of questions in our Zooms and explaining her thinking. Well done, Florence. Robin for explaining her mathematical thinking in our Zooms. Well done, Robin. Elsie for putting so much care into the presentation of her bingo tasks. Bertie for being on fire in maths this week. You've worked so hard and answered lots of questions. Hope you call off at the weekend, Bertie. Well done. In 3A, Mason for making amazing progress in our maths Zooms. Keep it up. Izzy for creating an extremely detailed family tree at home, approximately 3 metres long. I'm very impressed you managed to do that, Izzy. Amy for a fantastic PE lesson with Mrs. Humphreys in the freezing cold. I hope you've warmed up now, Amy. Chloe for creating a beautiful family tree at home. Very well done, 3A. In 3M, Leon for brilliant moves in our outside PE exercise marathon. Well done, Leon. Tilly for fantastic science challenge at home involving paper and a tennis ball. Good job, Tilly. Annabelle for super understanding of arrays. Well done. And Finn C for excellent understanding of arrays. Well done, Finn. Imogen for wonderful painting in the style of William Morris. And Ebony for fabulous painting, also in the style of William Morris. Very well done to year 3. In year 4, 4F, Sam for showing excellent investigative skills when working on his ice experiment. Bethany for describing Lenny's feelings beautifully from The Lion and the Unicorn. Amelia for sharing her understanding on how World War II started and the countries involved. And Charlie for sharing interesting information about World War II and writing clear questions about what he'd like to find out. Very well done, 4F. And now 4S. Thomas for thinking carefully about the structure of his sentences to ensure detail and interest in his writing. Ava for producing some fantastic artwork. Your room with a view and your Spitfire were incredible. Jake for making lots of wonderful contributions in our Zoom lessons. And Lewis for using some excellent vocabulary choices in his writing. Your work has been a real pleasure to read. That's fantastic. Well done, Year 4. Year 5. Harley for being the master of times and divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Well done, Harley. Isla for a beautiful illustrated space theme mnemonic. You'll enjoy that bit. Xavier Dickinson for being a maths multiplication whiz and solving a tricky investigation first. Well done, Xavier. George for a descriptive, detailed paragraph about an alien ship landing. Fantastic. Finn for an incredible COVID-related, I've got that same word again now, mnemonic to learn the order of the planets. Isla P for finding a very creative way to be active for 21 minutes. Cat circus training, Mr. Emma's put. And Dylan for a colourful and clever mnemonic to remember the order of planets. I hope they change what they're learning in Year 5 next week. In 5F, Josh R for making an excellent start to his remote learning. Oscar H for a superb mnemonic to remember the order of the planets along with a brilliant drawing of the solar system. Elizabeth for brilliant research on the planet Mercury with an excellent watercolour illustration. Ruby for making a brilliant start to her home learning. Okay, now Year 6 in 6T. Very well done to Aisling for being prompt, organised and so hard-working in all of our Zoom sessions. May for being an absolute star in 6T, kind, helpful, hard-working. I could go on, says Mr. Todd. Well done, that's lovely, May. Lily TG for wonderful remote learning, covering lots of our bingo sheet topics. And Delilah for overcoming her anxieties about remote learning and producing some amazing results. I think, Delilah, we've all got some anxieties about remote learning, including me having to read words that I can't read. In 6C, Alana for working independently, conscientiously and with conviction in everything she's done. Lyra for completing her work brilliantly in class, especially her Yeti work. Evan for going above and beyond and putting in loads of effort towards his home learning. And Maisie for turning up every Zoom and completing every piece of work brilliantly. That's lovely to hear. So well done to all of those children that have got a merit this week. Fantastic. Okay, we're now going to go on to our Head Teachers Awards this week. I have got two very special Head Teachers Awards, and then we're going to start with some for our children. So we have Jessica in 3M. And her Head Teachers Award this week is for an amazing step-by-step drawing of a dachshund, one of Queen Victoria's favourite breeds of dogs. Absolutely brilliant, so well done to Jess. We have a Head Teachers Award for Ernie in 3A for making such a great start to remote learning, attending Zooms every day, drop-ins to ask questions and uploading videos of fun science experiments at home. Very well done, Ernie. And we have a Head Teachers Award for Isla R, also in 3M, for totally outstanding example of creating and making a block tile print to create a leaf repeating pattern using the style of Victorian artist William Morris. So very well done to Isla as well. We also have two very special Head Teacher Awards. These have been nominated. They're nominations from some of our parents to other parents who have been amazing during our lockdown. The first goes to Mrs. Q, and her Head Teachers Award is for dropping supplies to one of our families who are unable to go out and making sure they had food, and also including some little sweets and treats as an extra in the drop-off. So a massive thank you for helping some of our other families, Mrs. Q. So you have got your Head Teachers Award. And we also have a nomination for Mrs. Armitage, who is, as many of you, juggling many things, but she's currently managing her second year of her midwifery degree, homeschooling, and has also signed up to help out at the Lancing COVID Vaccination Hub, which is an amazing thing to do. So very well done to my Head Teachers Awards this week. we're now going to do our Accelerated Reader Awards and our competition. So at the moment, you've been amazing. 68 million words we've read as a school since September, and we're up 11 million since last term. So you've obviously been busy over Christmas as well. So our competition in Year 2, the class that are in the lead with the most words, very well done to 2B. In the Year 3-4 competition, very, very close. In 4th place it is 3A, 3rd place 3M, 2nd place 4F, and in 1st place this week, well done to 4S. And then in the Year 5-6 competition, in 4th place is 5M, 3rd place 5F, and then these are so close. 6C is in 2nd place with 18,370,000, and 6T are in 1st place with 18,498,000. So amazingly close. So brilliant reading. Keep it up, all of you. I've also got some certificates for all of you that have been reading at home that are gathering your words. A huge well done to Freya P in 3M for 100,000 words. Well done, Freya. Thomas in 4S, 250,000 words. Olivia A in 4S, 250,000 words. Sam I in 4F, 750,000 words. Well done, Sam. In 5M, Callan, 250,000 words. Dylan in 5M, 500,000 words. In 5F, Tom, 750,000. Dexter, 500,000. Oscar, 750,000. These are all 5F. And Felix, we have a millionaire. In fact, we have a double millionaire because Felix has got up to 2 million words. It's amazing. Felix, well done. And then in 6C, Maisie has got 500,000. And Harry, 500,000. Incredible job. And then we have a second multi-millionaire. Alex is also up to 2 million words, which is absolutely phenomenal. So well done. Keep reading at home. Brilliant, brilliant. Well done. Our daily readers, we have got our magic spinning wheel for you again. So we're spinning. In fact, actually, this time I've got some, it's a bit more like the lottery. So we're going to have some numbered balls whizzing around and we'll see which numbers come out. So the first one, let's have a look, to come out is number 43. 43 is Noah in 6T. So well done, Noah. You can come and choose a book when you get back for your prize. Next one we have 41, and that is Bethany. Bethany is in 4F. Fantastic, Bethany. So you can choose a prize when you come back. And then we have number 3. And that's Harley in 5M. Well done, Harley. Fantastic. And our last prize winner, 35, is Martha. Well done, Martha, in Year 6. So fantastic job, all of you. Keep reading. And your parents can enter you into the prize draw on the little link we send home on a Wednesday or a Thursday. Well done. We'll now go on to our Times Table Rock Stars. Each time you log on to your Times Table Rock Stars and you have a go at answering some questions, all of your correct answers are added up. And we end up with a leaderboard of people that have made the most improvement with lots of correct answers. So I'm going to go through our leaderboards now. So in Year 2, in 3rd place, well done to Henry. In 2nd place, well done to Owen R. And in 1st place, well done to Lydia. In Year 3, in 3rd place, well done to Brody. In 2nd place to Josh. And in 1st place, well done to Cassius. In Year 4, well done in 3rd place to Bethany. In 2nd place to Charlie K. And in 1st place, well done to Thomas S. Brilliant. In Year 5, very well done to Ryan. In 2nd place, well done to Vinny. And in 1st place, well done to Elizabeth. And finally in Year 6, in 3rd place, well done to Martha. In 2nd place, well done to Zach. And in 1st place to Isabel S. So brilliant. We also have some Times Table Rockstar certificates. So if you get 5,000 or more correct answers, you get your Bronze Rockstar. This week we have Bronze Rockstar certificates. Well done to Fife. to Olivia A, to Lola L, to Lenny T. We then have our Silver Rockstar Award. That's for achieving 7,500 plus correct answers. Well done to Isabella M, Sam I, Bethany P, Connie S. And then we go on to our Gold Rockstar. This is for 10,000 plus correct answers. Well done to Charlie N. This is year 4. Charlie K has got a Platinum, which is 12,500 correct answers. He's in year 4 as well. Well done, Charlie. Missy Lee has also got her Platinum. Amazing. And Thomas S has got his Platinum. Amazing. So incredibly well done, all of you. Keep up those times table rock stars. Well, that concludes our first award assembly. Thank you so much for joining us. Please remember, keep reading at home, keep having a go at your Zoom lessons. If you're at school, obviously keep working hard. Most of all, please stay safe. We are missing all of you massively, but are feeling much better knowing that you are safe and well at home. So take care, all of you. Mums and dads, stay safe too. Hopefully you're not tearing your hair out too much. I'm off to practice saying the word mnemonic, however that might be said. Have an amazing week. Take care, and I will see you for our award assembly next week. Bye.